What you see here is the manufacturing lab. It's state-of-the-art equipment. We have several CNC machines. Some of them are 5-axis machines. The beauty of these machines is that they allow you to design pretty much anything you want. We can design new materials. We can test materials. For graduate students specifically, these machines are very exciting. First of all, the fact that you have a 5-axis CNC machine allows students to fabricate really complex parts and then use them in the research projects. And that would mean not just for mechanicals, it's all abroad the school entirely. So students from mechatronics, mechanical, industrial, computer, electrical, anything that needs making, that's very complex, that goes into hardware, we can do it here. In terms of the impact post-graduation for these students, some of our students go into PhDs in research, and some go into the industry. If we're talking about the industry, what they do here in the manufacturing lab translates directly into the industry. So manufacturing, designing, 3D printing, making stuff from scratch, building intricate, delicate models, those are skills that are hard to do, hard to mold. But once they have them, that's immediately transferable. In terms of research, students can research materials themselves. So the research papers themselves can be these materials, these products that they're doing. That's one kind of PhD. Another would be using whatever they build here as part of something bigger.